well, it's my Friday today because this is my last day of work until we come back from the trip. I'm actually getting ready to go into the office right now. I'm only gonna stay in the office for about 2 hours and then I'm coming back home. And I don't think I'm going anywhere today. I need to, but 9 times out of 10 I ain't going nowhere today, other than going to the office. We do leave out Saturday. We fly out to Tampa on Saturday, and we have not packed not one bag. Our suitcases are still out there in the storage. I need to go to the store and get like our traveling supplies. I still need to get my nails done. I need to get my eyebrows waxed. Like, it's just so much that I need to do. I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow too. So Faye still is gonna work tomorrow, but I took it off because I had so much stuff that I know I need to get done. So I took off tomorrow. So that's why I said today is like a Friday to me, because I will not be working tomorrow. I know when I come back from work, I do need to clean my makeup brushes so that way I can pack them for the trip, and I don't want to like get makeup all over my packing bag. So I'm gonna have to wash these brushes off. I did buy more of these and the powder puffs that I use. So that way I don't have to clean these off. I can just throw these out. All right, y'all, so I am dressed. I just have this blue top on and some leggings and then some sandals.
Yes, I am. They say you a superstar, now damn, I guess I am. You might be the man, well that's unless I am. Okay, I'll confess I am. Go ahead and get undressed, I am. Okay, cool, you want sunset? I am. I'm about to slide, okay, I'm outside, okay. This lifestyle don't got many downsides, except for the lack of time I get around my family, making shit.
So y'all, change of plans. The internet was down at the office, so now I'm about to head back home. As soon as I walked like through the elevator, she said, the internet is down and we don't know when it'll be back up. We called and they don't even know when it's gonna be back up. So yeah, you can stay if you want to wait. But if you have like meetings or something, then you might want to go back home and just work from the house. So I just decided to go back to the house and just work. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do now. So I will see y'all at the house. Hey y'all, so it's the next day. I did not finish vlogging yesterday because I was just tired and was just out of energy when I got home from driving. It just hit me out of nowhere. So I ordered DoorDash, and then I ate that. I took a nap and I just got work done. We didn't pack yesterday. I didn't go out to the store. Well, I did go to the store when I got off just to go get like trash bags and just stuff for the house, but I didn't get anything for the trip, and we do fly out in the morning. I'm actually about to get ready to go to an appointment, and then I got to get my eyebrows done, and then after that I'm gonna get my nails done, and then I don't have my wax appointment until later on, so I might go stop by Target and just get the stuff that we need. It's right there by my nail shop. I also need to go print out our luggage tags, but I'll probably do that on my way back home later on after my wax appointment, but they might be closed, so I don't know. Y'all, so I just got my eyebrows done, so now I'm about to go get my nails done. I did not make an appointment, so I'm gonna call just to make sure I can come right now. Hopefully they're not busy. I don't think they would be because people are like at work and at school and stuff, so hopefully she can take me now. Hey y'all, so I just made it to the place I'm gonna get my nails done. I called and they said that they're not busy at all, so I can go ahead and come in. So I am getting a pedicure and full set, and I'm gonna get French tip on my toes and hands. So I am back from getting my nails done. This is what they look like. My toes are the exact same. I wanted to show y'all what I got from Target really quick, and then I need to go get our suitcases and wipe them down real good with like Clorox wipes and stuff, so that way those are clean and we can go ahead and start packing when he gets home. Well, we gotta go to the store when he gets home, but then, you know, when we get back, we can start packing. I got some Q-tips. I got a little small thing of Q-tips, travel size. I got some of this lotion, just so I can pack it in my carry-on bag. Now, we are taking a plane, so that's why I really got all this small stuff. It's not like we're driving and I can just pack what I want to. Then I got some Febreze spray for like the beds and stuff we stay at the hotel and on the ship. And then I got some motion sickness. This is just in case. We didn't need it on our last cruise, so hopefully we don't need it on this cruise. And then I got me some micellar water for my makeup, so I can take that off. And I got some Germex for me to carry on. I have a Germex. I have a little small Germex already, but this is just extra, just in case if we need it and I can't find mine for some reason. And then I got some Lysol spray just to spray down the rooms. You know, doorknobs, everything that we're going to be touching. I got a little bitty thing of mouthwash. And the last thing in this bag is some face moisturizer. They didn't have the small thing of Cetaphil cleanser, which I was looking for. But me and Bez want to go to another Target tonight, so hopefully I can find it there. Then I got us these little toothbrushes. It comes with toothpaste. We're probably only going to open up one toothpaste, but I had to get two so I can get us both 2 toothbrushes, and these were like $1 a piece, so that's really why I got them. And they're really tiny, so I can be able to put these in our little toiletries bag. And then I got some Clorox wipes for me to wipe down everything again in the room, along with the Lysol spray. I can wipe it down and then spray it. And then I got some wet ones, and then I got these cotton things. I ran out. I usually use them here at the house, but I ran out, so that's why I got this big thing. So that way I can leave them here and just take some out and put them in our toiletry bag, so I ain't gotta take this whole roll. And then I got me another thing of Aquaphor. I told y'all I love to use this on my lips. And I was out. Well, I wasn't out, but I was running out and I needed a new bottle, so I got this. I got me some jewelry, y'all. I just couldn't pass up on getting me some. I got these earrings right here. And then I got this little necklace that I'm actually gonna put on and just wear it the whole trip. And then I got this thing of earrings. All of my earrings are, y'all can't even see that. I don't know why it's not focusing right. But yeah, I got this whole thing of earrings. And I also had a Amazon package come today. This should be our plug-in thing for the cruise ship. And it came in a box. That's great, but yeah, it's that. It says it has it on the box. So I got us this for the boat so that we'll be able to charge our stuff, because some of those rooms only be coming, I think it's the older ships, they only come with like plugs, like one plug. I got us this little thing so that we can plug into our plug in the room, so that way we can be able to charge multiple devices instead of one. So yeah, we needed that, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that back in the box. All right, y'all, so I just finished wiping down both of the suitcases. I'm actually about to get ready to go to my wax appointment, and I don't want to be late because I was late when I went there on, was it Tuesday or Wednesday? Hey y'all, so I just got back from getting my wax and printing out our luggage tags. I got them right here. I'm about to start packing. They'll be home in a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and start picking out clothes. I haven't even done that yet. So I'm gonna pick out clothes that I want to take, like outfits. It's gonna be mostly dresses because, all right y'all, so I got all the clothes out that I want to take. This is about 8 nights worth of clothes, so I'm about to put them in these packing cubes. I did get these off Amazon and they are linked in my storefront. It comes with, I don't know how many pieces, y'all, but it comes with enough for you to be good. It comes with a sock one, a makeup one, a toiletry bag one. So like this is the bag that I'll put like my makeup and, hold on, let me take this one out. So this is the bag I'll put my makeup and face stuff in. And I may throw some other little toiletry things in here, but so yeah, we got all of these packing cubes. I'm about to go ahead and stuff these clothes in these cubes.